Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these acrylic nails all by myself from home. I'm not a professional, and I just used the Kiss Nail Acrylic Kit. You can get that at Target, Walmart, any other of your local stores for less than $20. It's so cheap, why wouldn't you try it? You feel me? So this is a Kiss French acrylic sculpture kit, and you can get this for about $7.99 at Target. So this comes with everything you need. It comes with the powder, the liquid, the nail tips, the nail glue, and the nail file. The only thing that it doesn't come with is a drill, and if you want to buy a drill, that would be really helpful when doing your nails like this. It also comes with instructions, but I don't like to read those. So the white tips are for your French tips, and then the clear tips are just for regular tips where you want to paint your nails with polish or a gel polish. Okay, so when you want to pick out your nail tips, you want to find the number on the back of the nail. Then you want to get the second number so you can have those two paired together so you don't have to go and find the same shape for the other hand. You can get it all done with one hand. For example, you might want to have the 5s sectioned off for your first finger, and you want to have like the 6s sectioned off for your middle finger or your ring finger. Then you want to take the black side of your nail file and file your fingernail so that the nails will stick better when you glue them down. And if you have smaller nails like I do, you might want to file down the sides of your nails so that they fit onto your fingers better. So the Kiss acrylic set did not come with this, but this is a nail primer that you put on the base of your nails before you apply your acrylic. I got this with another nail kit a while back, and if I can find it, I will link that in the description box. right here you see me trying to cut my nails into more of a coffin shape, and I'm cutting them with scissors so that I don't have to file them all the way down when filing them. It just speeds up the process a little bit. Also, the better that you have your shaping done beforehand, makes it easier to shape once your acrylic is dried. Now, I've only done this a couple of times, but I've just learned this from experience. So when you go to pick up your acrylic, you want to try to get it into a little ball shape, and that's the best way you want to put it on your nail. So this one looks kind of sloppy, but you want to aim for that kind of general shape when applying your acrylic, and then you can file it down later as you go along. Okay, now once you're done with your acrylic, you want to take the black side of your file and then shape your nails to how you want them to be. You want them to be smooth and basically cleaned up. And this will take some time if you don't have a drill. Now this is the final product. I don't think it looks half bad for it being so cheap. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.